million views and I got paid in 21 cents. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Chanel Haley here. Today I'm going to be telling you how much TikTok paid me for over 2 million views. Yes, 2 million views and I got paid. Y'all really want to stay tuned, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and let's get right into it. Okay, so what is up, you guys? My name is Chanel Haley. Today I'm going to be bringing you how much TikTok paid me for over 2 million views, actually almost 3 million views. I was able to grow my TikTok to over 60K in about 2 months. And that's just by being consistent, but that is not what I'm going to talk about in this video. If you'd like to know how I grew my TikTok tremendously, just leave me a little comment below and I will bring that for you guys. But I'm going to show you how much they paid me for 2 million views. So let me give you a little bit backstory. So TikTok is nothing like YouTube when it comes to being paid. They just created the TikTok Creator Fund, and I'm going to show you exactly the requirements for the Creator Fund. To be a part of the TikTok Creator Fund, you have to be at least 18 years old. You have to have at least 10,000 followers, and you have to have at least 10,000 video views in the last 30 days. So when I hit that mark, I went ahead and applied for the TikTok Creator Fund. I will say, when I did apply for it, I got approved pretty quickly, but I feel like I kind of got shadow banned as soon as I applied and was approved. I'm not sure how true that is. Maybe my videos just weren't hitting the same, but I'm not sure. It's like I wasn't getting as many views as I was before. So I guess that's kind of something to think about as well. Like, I feel like I really wasn't getting the same amount of views as I was. Maybe, I don't know how much TikTok paid me. Okay, it's about almost 3 million views. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up TikTok. I'm supposed to be on my new phone. Where's my iPhone 12? Y'all, I got an iPhone 12 and I'm still using my old phone because it didn't transfer just everything, and I'm just so busy, so lazy to go through and change it all. So here we go. This is you guys, this is how much I got paid for the TikTok Creator Fund. Oh, I can't believe that. Like, I just dropped my phone like that. So here we go. Okay, it doesn't wanna focus, but it is $266.21. That is how much I got paid for almost 3 million views. So if you're going over to TikTok to make money, that is not the way to go. If you're going over to TikTok to build on other platforms, I highly recommend it. I'm in the works. I would actually love to be a social media marketer very soon, because I don't know, I feel like that's something I would be really good at, because I have been able to grow my Instagram to almost 20,000 followers in 1 month. I have been able to grow my TikTok to 60,000 in 2 months, and it's just strategy. And I would love to work with different people, work with different brands, and just help you guys build. But like I was saying before, like, TikTok, you don't make a lot of money on there, but it has definitely helped me to generate sales big time. Like, I thank the Lord for TikTok, because most of my customers now are coming for TikTok. And that is so real. If you have a business and you're not on TikTok, I don't know what you're doing, because TikTok really is the way to go. You have to, know how to market yourself. Facebook ads and Instagram ads, Instagram hashtags, they are just not working anymore. They are not cutting it. Okay, and then when it comes to TikTok, you have to stay on the latest trends. You have to stay with the latest music. And the good thing about TikTok is it stands out from all other apps, because TikTok pushes out every single account. So the hashtags and things on TikTok, they actually work. Instead of, you know, you're on Instagram and hashtags aren't really working. I use hashtags on all of my videos on TikTok. Pretty much everybody uses hashtags on TikTok and they work. Oh yes, I'd highly recommended it. I did TikTok for a straight month and I was able to generate over $10,000 in sales in that month just from doing TikTok. Like, you guys, I will make another video on how I did that, how it helped me generate my sales, because it is absolutely crazy. And I am absolutely extremely so thankful for TikTok. I'm so thankful for you guys. So if you want to see anything else, leave me a little comment below. Let me know if this was helpful to you. How much did the TikTok Creator Fund pay you? And if you're a business and you haven't started your TikTok journey, what are you doing? Literally, like, what are you doing? Because you have to be on TikTok, period. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment below and let me know what else you want me to talk about, what else you want to see from me in 2021. I am bringing you guys the heat. My phone is just blowing up every time I want to make a video. People just want to call. Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you're following me on all of my social medias. They will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much.